Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic body butter. You need two ingredients. You need shea butter and coconut oil. Now the shea butter that I use is Nilotica shea butter, which is an East African shea butter from Uganda. It's a softer shea nut, so you'll notice that we will not be doing that typical double boiling process. And you need a bowl to mix it in, you need a common kitchen scale to weigh your ingredients, and you need a spatula or a spoon to mix it. So go get your items, go get your ingredients, and come on back and we'll make the shea butter. So now that we have our ingredients, we're going to weigh them out. We use 4 ounces of Nilotica shea butter, and we weigh that on our kitchen scale. And then you put the shea butter into your bowl. As you can see, the Nilotica shea butter is very soft. It's very soft, and you see it's slipping right off of the paper. So that's why I said we don't need to do that double boiler. And then we have our 1 ounce of coconut oil, and you mix that in, and you pour your coconut oil in, and then you mix the oil and the shea butter, and you mix it together, and you make sure you mix it well until all of the oil and all of the butter is mixed together. It's nice and smooth and creamy and mixed together. And then once you mix it together, then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in a container. And then once you put that in the container, then you put it in the refrigerator for it to set, to get a little solid. Look at that. Look how creamy that is. That's the magic of Nilotica shea butter. Look at that, nice and beautiful. And there you have it. You have your basic body butter. Thank you for joining us today, and I will see you next time.